today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business and one of the most powerful tools at your disposal, search engine optimizations or SEO.
Let's see how each of the benefits of SEO impacts a business. First, targeted traffic. SEO helps attract visitors who are actively searching for products or services related to your business. This targeted traffic is more likely to convert into customer leads or subscribers. By optimizing your website for specific keywords and phrases relevant to your industry, you ensure that your site appears in search results when potential customers are actively looking for what you offer. This targeted traffic is highly valuable because it brings users with a genuine interest in your offering. Number 2. Increase visibility and ROI. Improved visibility in search results translate to increased brand awareness and more opportunity for conversion, ultimately leading to a higher ROI. When your website ranks higher in search engine result page, it becomes more visible to potential customers. Increased visibility means more clicks, more leads, and more sales, resulting in a better return on your marketing investment. Number 3. Long-term positioning. SEO efforts builds a strong foundation that can keep your website ranking well for an extended period, providing consistent traffic and leads over time. Unlike short-term marketing strategy that provide quick but temporary results, SEO is a long-term approach. Once your website earns a top-ranking positions, it can maintain that position with ongoing maintenance and optimizations, ensuring a stable source of organic traffic. 4. Cost-effective. SEO can be more cost-effective than paid advertising in the long run, offering a better ROI and sustainable results. While SEO may require an initial investment in optimizing your website and creating quality content, it can yield ongoing organic traffic without a continuous cost associated with paid advertising campaigns. This cost efficiency makes SEO a prudent choice for businesses aiming for sustained growth. 5th, measurable result. SEO allows you to track and measure the performance of your website, enabling data-driven decision-making. With tools like Google Analytics and SEO-specific platforms, you can monitor key metrics such as website traffic, conversions, keywords ranking, and user behavior. This data helps you assess the effectiveness of your SEO effort, identify areas for improvement, and adapt your strategy accordingly.
Imagine your website as a storefront on a busy street. SEO is like putting up a big, eye-catching sign that attracts potential customers. Let's start with the basic. What is SEO? SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results, such as Google, Bing, or Yahoo. When someone searches for a product or service related to your business, you want your website to appear on the first page of result. Why? Because studies show that the majority of clicks go to the top few search results. This means that if your website isn't on the first page, you are missing out on potential customers. Now, how do you climb those search result ranking? It starts with keywords research. Keywords research helps you identify the words and phrases people are using to search for products or services in your industry. But targeting those keywords in your content, you increase the chances of your website showing up in search results when potential customers search for those terms.
In order to improve SEO ranking, we have few types of keywords. Number 1, primary keywords. Example, digital marketing services. Long-tail keywords. Affordable SEO services for small businesses. Location-based keywords. SEO services in New York City. LSI keywords. On-page SEO techniques. Question-based keywords. How to improve website SEO. Product-specific keywords. Best budget DSLR cameras. Competitor keywords. Competitor name alternatives. Brand-related keywords, your brand SEO solutions. Seasonal keywords, summer fashion trends 2023. Education keywords, SEO best practices guide. Trending topics and news, blockchain technology trends. Semantic keywords, SEO techniques. Product keywords with modifier, best SEO tools for beginners.
But remember, it's not just about stuffing keywords into your content. It's about creating high quality, wearable content that answer your audience's questions. SEO is divided into two main categories, on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO involves optimizing elements directly to on your website, such as meta titles, descriptions, header tags, and keyword placement. Off-page SEO, on the other hand, focuses on external factors like backlinks from reputable websites and social signal from social media platforms. Both on-page and off-page SEO works together to improve your website visibility and authorities. SEO is not a set it and forget it strategy. It requires continuously monitoring and improvement. Regularly track your website performance using analytic tools. Monitor changes in traffic, keywords ranking, and user behavior. Based on your data, make necessary adjustments to your content, website structure, and SEO strategies. Over time, your effort will pay off as your website climbs the search result rankings, bringing more organic traffic and potential customers. In summary, SEO is the key to getting your brand noticed online. By understanding the essential of SEO, conducting thorough keyword research, optimizing both on-page and off-page elements, and continuously monitoring and improving your strategy, you can boost your brand visibility and reach your target audience. Thank you for joining us in this journey through SEO Essentials. Don't forget to subscribe for more marketing insight and tips to help your brand succeed online. See you next time.